What if an AI agent could read your unread inbox, summarize your one-hour meetings in seconds, draft complex technical documents, and tell you exactly what security risks you missed, all while you grab a coffee? So today I'm putting AI to the ultimate test. I'm handing over my actual daily job to an AI agent for 24 hours. By the end of this video, you'll know whether AI agents are just overhyped buzzwords, or if they're about to change how office professionals, developers, and architects work forever. If you're new here, welcome. I work as a solution architect. My average day is a non-stop cycle of high-volume emails, endless meetings, requirement gathering, and enterprise system documentation. These repetitive, heavy-thinking tasks are exactly what AI agent frameworks promise to automate. So here are the rules for today's experiment. Task 1. Email triage, filter, prioritize, and draft responses. Task 2. Meeting summaries, extract action items and key decisions. Task 3. Document drafting, generate first-pass architecture specifications. Task 4. Risk analysis, identify technical and operational flaws. No manual work for me unless the AI completely falls on its face. Let's jump in. Every morning starts with inbox chaos. I gave the AI agent direct prompt instructions to review my incoming emails, categorize them by urgency, and draft responses for high-priority messages. Within seconds, it categorized 40 emails, pulled out 3 critical escalations, and drafted accurate initial replies. However, here's where it got weird. It flagged a routine vendor newsletter as an urgent architecture change, simply because of the keyword update. My rating for email review is an 8.5 out of 10. It's not 100% autonomous yet. You still need human oversight, but it just saved me 45 minutes of manual sorting. Next up, summarizing a chaotic 45-minute architectural review meeting. Instead of rewatching the recording or skimming pages of rough notes, I passed the transcript to the agent with a strict schema prompt to extract key decisions, risks, and action items with owners. The result? An executive summary in seconds. It successfully mapped tasks to the right team members and flagged key technical decisions. Did it capture the subtle nuance of political pushback during the call? No, but for capturing concrete facts, it's remarkably accurate. Meeting summaries score an 8 out of 10 now for the real test. As an architect, writing comprehensive documentation takes hours. I asked the AI agent to generate a high-level system architecture assessment based on a set of raw project requirements. Look at this output. Is it ready to send straight to a CTO? Absolutely not. But instead of staring at a soul-crushing blank page, I'm starting at 70% completion. Expanding, editing, and validating an existing draft is 5 times faster than creating one from scratch. For any professional who spends hours writing reports, this is a massive productivity shift. Document creation gets an 8.5 out of 10. This next section was the one I was most skeptical about. Can an AI model actually think critically like a senior engineer? I fed the agent a proposed cloud deployment setup and asked it to identify security risks, single points of failure, and missing operational requirements. It flagged 3 major issues: an unencrypted data pipeline between microservices, a single point of failure in database instances, and missing compliance logging. These were genuine vulnerabilities that could easily get missed during a rushed review. This isn't just basic automation, it's acting as a second pair of eyes. Risk analysis scores a 9 out of 10. After running this experiment for 24 hours, here is the unfiltered truth. The AI agent did not replace me. What it actually did was strip away the administrative friction of my job. The AI handles the heavy lifting, research, drafting, and low-level analysis. The human provides context, intuition, stakeholder diplomacy, and ultimate accountability. Can an AI agent do my job? No. Can it eliminate 30 to 50% of your repetitive workload starting today? 100% yes. The professionals who thrive over the next few years won't be replaced by AI. They'll be replaced by the people who learn how to leverage AI agents to double their output. If you want more real-world practical AI workflows built for professionals, developers, and architects, hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments, what part of your daily job would you hand off to an AI agent? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.